Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys, it's me Mustafa. Welcome to my YouTube channel Blend Art Studio. Guys, in this video you are going to watch a modification of old style traditional Japanese wind chime into a fancy gorgeous look, and we are going to give it a background so that whenever you are going to keep this wind chime in your room, it will going to give you a feel that you were somewhere in Japan. Okay guys, before starting the art or before starting the DIY work, the materials required for this are written in the description box with their product links. You can go and have a check. If not, we are going to see each material step by step as the video goes longer. Okay guys, so let's start the video in the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, let's get started. So guys, in front of you, this is a special material called as vintage paper which have rough surface. This is going to give a realistic look to any type of drawing. Okay, so this product link is in the description box. Just go and have a check. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut several or n numbers of small square shape pieces. On this square shape pieces, I'm going to make some mountain type view, ancient mountain type Japanese view. Okay, so these are our square pieces. Now what I'm going to do is going to take two large rectangular size of strips. Okay, as you can see over here, this one and this one. On this two I'm going to make big paintings, on this one is small paintings. Okay, so let's start the work in the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So here we go guys. Okay, here guys I am using oil pastels because as just now I said, this paper have rough thickness and oil pastel works awesome on the rough thickness. Okay, if you use the paints, doesn't matter, this will also going to look good. But guys, my personal recommendation is don't use watercolor because this is a brown type of paper. If you are going to use watercolors, the water stains is going to appear very quickly. Okay, so it's better not to use watercolors, and you can use any type of material which you like. Okay, so guys, I want to say is that I know many of my old YouTube friends have watched many of my calligraphy work on these papers. Okay, so that videos link also I'm going to keep in the description box. Just go and have a check. You will get a better idea that how I am making realistic work on these papers, why I am using this paper. Okay guys, so this one is going to be the second painting which is going to paste on the other side of the wind charm. Okay, so guys, for this painting I am going to use watercolors plus oil pastel. As you are seeing now, this one I am using oil pastel, and for making the background view, mountains, and a red color moon, with that I am going to use watercolors plus acrylic paint. Okay guys, so stay till the end of the video, like the video, share the video, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel guys. I am working so hard for making the best content for you all guys. Alhamdulillah guys, painting work is done. Now I am going to write some useful words on this small rectangular strips like good, peace, faith, belief, power, will, happy, etc. Okay, and I am coloring that by using paints like acrylic paint, oil paint, markers, blue pen, etc. Okay, and guys, write in the comment box or suggest me which are the good materials for calligraphy, because my handwriting in calligraphy is not much good what I think so I need some proper tools. So don't forget to write the material name in the description box. Guys, this is the important part of the video on which I taken some cardboard pieces from my old class notebooks, and on that I am going to paste this small rectangular word strips. Okay, same this I am going to do with my small square mountain paintings plus my large two rectangular paintings. After pasting, it's need to be cut properly by using scissors. Okay, measurements are required over here. After that, now I am going to paste my rectangular painting on a piece of ordinary cardboard. I am using Fevistick, not Fevicol. This to be remembered, guys. Whenever you are working with any creative work, pasting paper on cardboard, use Fevistick. Don't use Fevicol, because this type of paper will going to catch the stain of the Fevicol. Okay, always use Fevistick. If you are going to use Fevicol, then your whole hard work is going to be waste. Okay, so keep this thing, remember, keep in mind and work. Okay guys, over here one of the important step comes: how to stick this stuff on the wind charm when it is in vertical position. Use paper tape for doing this. First step, paste this all stuff directly to its thread. Okay, whichever thread wind charm have, directly. Okay, as you can see, it's look so beautiful and pretty. Here comes the second step. Now you have to paste this painting just behind the first one. Okay, so take the paper tape and twist it around your index finger and paste it on the piece of cardboard which the painting is being pasted. You can see, guys, how beautiful it looks. Okay, now one of the simple step comes is take this piece of cardboard and paste it on the wind charm. Okay, soon it is going to become, see guys, this one of what I am talking about, I am doing that. Okay, just keep the measurements in mind and press it somewhat tightly, and here it is. So the step 1 of pasting the stuff is completed. Now we have to paste our small tiny paintings on on some upper side of the wind charm threads. For pasting this also I am going to use the same methods. Alhamdulillah, guys, wind chime is completed. On this wind chime, I made two rectangular paintings and numbers of small square mountain shape paintings, and on some small rectangular strips I written some useful words. Okay, over here, as you can see, the wind chime is of traditional Japanese style, but in the background there is the map of my great country India. So guys, what I am thinking is, let's shift this wind chime on the other side and make a background for it. This background is going to increase the contrast level of my paintings which are pasted which are stick on this traditional wind chime. Okay guys, so let's start the work in the name of Allah. Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Guys, so here we have wooden pattern wallpaper. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take some long rectangular strips and this long rectangular strips we are going to paste at the corner of our ink painting, which is going to be the background, as just now I said in the previous slide. The background is so important for this wind charm. That background is going to increase the contrast, is going to increase the brightness of the paintings which are pasted on the wind charm, and looks so beautiful for the decoration. This is going to look more good rather than just keeping a wind charm in the balcony. Guys, what I think is you guys also need to try this work in your home. At anywhere, this works according to me looks more good in their drawing room, where the guest used to come, where the guest house is there. So you are able to show your creativity and high skill work to any of your family member, your guest, relative, etc. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I am using a long steel ruler for the proper measurement, because I need perfect measurements. That the reason. Okay, after cutting this one, you can see over here, these are our beautiful strips. So now it's time to paste. In the name of Allah, Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah, 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 guys, work done. Imagine if this type of scenario is set up in front of your study desk, what you are going to think. According to me, when you are sitting on your study desk and watching this scenario, you are going to feel so peaceful and relaxed by seeing this colorful painting accordingly with its background. Okay, so my motive is to make this type of scenario using wind charm along with its background, is you to stay relaxed and calm whenever you are working in high stress with your studies, with your project work, with your office work, etc. Okay, so guys, this is your turn to make this type of DIY stuff or this type of DIY scenario in front of your study desk, and write the comments below how this work looks. Okay, so guys, this is the time to end this video. Share this video, like this video, comment on it. So till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.